नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है विजन आईएएस फिल्म टेस्ट सीरीज के पहले लेक्चर में। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए। विजन आईएएस पीटी 2021 टेस्ट 1। द टॉपिक इज इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। दिस इज द सिलेबस, दिस इज द रेफरेंसेस which Vision IAS take. The first question is, which of the following is not correct with reference to the national emergency? The correct answer is C. Resolution approving the proclamation of emergency must be passed by a majority of 2/3 of the total membership of the House. The second question is, what could be the possible reasons for democracy being the most prevalent and better than other forms of government? The correct answer is D. Only 3. It extracts accountability from the government. The next question is, which of the following fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Indian Constitution under the right to freedom? The correct answer is C. 1, 2, 4. Right to assemble peacefully, right to form association, right to life and personal liberty. The next question is question number 4. In this context of seismic activity of earth, what are storms? The correct answer is C. Numerous earthquakes that occur locally over an extended period without a clear sequence of high intensity main quakes. The next question is, Chuck Ho was recently seen in news is a. The correct answer is B. Black rice variety of Manipur. The next question is, why India is described as a union of states rather than a federation of a state? The correct answer is B. States. No. B. Second only. The correct answer is B. Second only. States have no right to secede from the federation. The next question is 7. If India decides to cede territory to any of its neighbors, which of the following would be used by the parliament? The correct answer is C. 3 only. Article number 368. The next question is question number 8. Consider the following statement about the CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. It deals only with cases of corruption and economic offences. The CBI functioning is superintended by the Central Vigilance Commission when the offences being investigated come under the Prevention of the Corruption Act 1988. The correct answer is B. Second only. The CBI function is superintended by the Central Vigilance Commission when the offences being investigated come under the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. The next question is, consider the following statement. The minor forest produce has been defined under the Indian Forest Act 1927. Second, the Government of India announces MSP, minimum support price, for various minor forest produce on the recommendations of Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices CACP. The correct answer is D. Neither one nor two. Both are wrong answers. The next question is question number 10. The maximum seat in the Lok Sabha are 552. However, there are total of 545 members. If only 300 members are present at the time of voting, then a constitutional amendment bill under Article 368 must be supported by a minimum of. The correct answer is A. 273 members. The next question is question number 11. Which of the following can be identified as the major objectives of Niti Aayog? First one, fostering cooperative federalism, acting as a platform for the resolution of interdepartmental issues, integrating villages into developmental process to leverage India's demographic dividend. The correct answer is D. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the options are correct. The next question is, consider the following passage with reference to a writ issued by a Supreme Court under Article 32. It is a command issued by a court to an authority directing it to perform a public duty imposed upon it by law. It can be issued when an authority vested with a power improperly refuses to exercise it. It can be issued to any kind of authority in respect of any type of function: administrative, legislative, quasi-judicial, judicial. It is used to enforce the performance of public duties by public authorities. The correct answer of question number 12 is C. Mandamus. This writ is issued by Supreme Court under Article 32 for this passage. The next question is question number 13. Consider the following statement. Due process of law provides for judicial scrutiny against arbitrary action of executive only. The procedure established by law provides judicial scrutiny against arbitrary actions of both legislative and executive. Third one is Article 21 of the Indian Constitution explicitly mentions the procedure established by law. The correct answer of question number 13 is C. Third only. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution explicitly mentions the procedure established by law. The next question is question number 14. Constitution prescribes imposition of precedent rule in a state if the state fails to comply with any direction from the center, the president is satisfied that the government of a state cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of this constitution, there is an occurrence of violent incident disrupting law and order. The correct answer is A. 1 and 2 only. The state fails to comply with any direction from the center. The president is satisfied that the government of a state cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of this constitution. The next question is question number 15. Recently, the RBI has been mulling over the idea of introducing standing deposit facility. The correct answer is B. Absorb additional liquidity with the banks by allowing them to park funds with the RBI. The next question is question number 16. Consider the following statement about members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme MPLADS. Under MPLADS, rupees 5 crore is transferred directly to each member of Parliament for development work in his or her constituency. Nominated members of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are not entitled under this scheme. Members of Statistics and Program Implementation is the nodal ministry to implement this scheme. The correct answer is B. Third only. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation is the nodal ministry to implement this scheme. The next question is question number 17. With reference to the Collab CAD recently seen in news, consider the following statement. It is a software system launched Department of Science and Technology. It aims is to provide a platform to the students of Atal Tinkering Labs ATS across countries to create and modify 3D designs. The correct answer is option number B, 2 only. It aims to provide a platform to the students of Atal Tinkering Labs across countries to create and modify 3D design. The next question is question number 18. Consider the following statement. The Constitution of India only mentions the office of the Chief Election Commissioner and not the Election Commissioners. The CEC has overriding powers while deciding upon any matter or issue. Third one, both CEC and EC, Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner, enjoy the security of a tenure. The correct answer is D, none. All the options are wrong. The next question is The Indian Constitution ensures individual freedom, social justice, community-based rights. The correct answer is D. 1, 2, 3. All options are correct. The next question is question number 20. It was an erstwhile princely state ruled by a Chogyal dynasty. It became a protectorate of India in 1947 after the lapse of British paramountcy. It became an integral part of India through a referendum. Recently, it was in news due to a controversial advertisement by the Delhi government. Which of the following state or union territories is described in the above passage? The correct answer is B. Sikkim. The next question is 21. Which of the following is correct with reference to the financial emergency under Article 360? The correct answer is C. Proclamation of financial emergency can be passed by a simple majority. The next question is question number 22. Consider the following statement. Chairperson of the NSRC and SHRC are appointed by the President of India. Only the President of India can remove the chairperson of NSRC and SHRC. The correct answer is of question number 22 is B. Second only. Only the President of India can remove the chairperson of the NSRC and SHRC. Next question. Question number 23. Interest groups seek to promote the interest of a particular section or group of society. They can be of two types: promotional interest group and sectional interest group. Which of the following are a typical example of a sectional interest group? Professional bodies such as that of lawyers or doctors, trade unions, a group fighting against bonded labor, or caste discrimination. The correct answer of question number 13 is B. 1 and 2 only. Professional bodies such as that of lawyers or doctors and trade unions. The next question is question number 24. Which of the following events may lead to the loss of Indian citizenship for an individual? 1. When an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, if the citizen has shown disloyalty to the Constitution of India, if he is a minor whose parents have renounced Indian citizenship. The correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is 25. Which of the following are the federal features in the Indian Constitution? Single Constitution, bicameralism, integrated judiciary. The correct answer of question number 25 is B. 2 only, bicameralism. The next question is question number 26. Consider the following statement in the context of Niti Aayog. It is an extra constitutional body. It provides both directional and policy inputs but not technical advice. It provides a collaborative and bottom-up approach. The correct answer of question number 26 is 1. A. 1 and 3 only. It is an extra constitutional body. It provides a collaborative and bottom-up approach. The next question is question number 27. With reference to the integration of erstwhile princely state, consider the following pairs: Hyderabad, Junagadh, Kashmir. Mode of integration: referendum, police action, instrument of action. As you know, Kashmir is came under Indian Constitution by the instrument of accession. The correct answer of question number 27 is B. 3 only. The next question is question number 28. Which of the following pairs festival and state? Ambubachi Mela, Chaitra Jatra, Vishu, Rangoli Bihu. States are Assam, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand. The correct answer is C. 1 and 2 only are correctly matched. Ambubachi Mela is in Assam Chatra Jatra is in Odisha. The next question is 29. Which of the following statement in the context of cats of India is not correct? The correct answer is C. CAG complies and maintain account of both central and state governments are incorrect. The next question is question number 30. Which of the following statement in the context of National Commission for Backward Classes NCBC is not correct? Understand this? Underline this. Not correct. The correct answer of this question is B. It investigates the matter of constitutional and legal safeguards for both the OBCs and Anglo-Indians. This is not correct. The next question is question number 31. With reference to the Overseas Citizens of India OCI cardholder, consider the following statement. A citizen of another country who was citizen of India at any time after the commencement of the Constitution is eligible to become OCI cardholder. OCI cardholders are entitled to multiple entry lifelong visa for visiting India for any purpose. OCI cardholders enjoy the right to equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. The correct answer of question number 31 is 1 and 2 only, A. The next question number 32. In reference to Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities, consider the following statement. Originally, the Constitution of India did not provide for this office. The office falls under the Ministry of Minority Affairs. It submits annual report to the central government. The correct answer of question number 32 is B. 1 and 2 only. The next question is question number 33. In the context of the Constitution and polity of a country, which of the following is correct? A Constitution determines the relationship among people living in a territory and also the relationship between the people and government. A country that has a Constitution may not necessarily be democratic. A Constitution lays down limits on the powers of the government. The correct answer of question number 33 is option C. 1, 2, 3. All the options are correct. The question number 34. Second schedule of the Constitution deals with the emoluments and privileges of Speaker of the Legislative Assembly in the state, Prime Minister, judges of the High Courts, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. The correct answer of question number 34 is A. Speaker of the Legislative Assembly in the states. The next question is 35. The Supreme Court is bound to declare a law as invalid if it violates fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy DPSC, fundamental duties. The correct answer of 35 is A. 1 only. The next question is, consider the following pairs. Case Shankari Prasad case, Kesavananda Bharati case, Minivera Mills case. Outcome or judgment. Parliament can abridge any of the fundamental rights. Evolution of basic structure doctrine. Fundamental rights and the directive principles should be balanced. The correct answer of question number 36 is D. 1, 2, 3. All the pairs are matched and correct. Question number 37. Consider the following statements. Only Parliament shall have the power to make laws restricting to application of fundamental rights to members of armed forces. Both Parliament and state legislatures shall have powers to make laws for prescribing punishment for offences such as traffic in human beings and forced labour. The correct answer of question number 37 is A. 1 only. Only Parliament shall have the power to make laws restricting the application of fundamental rights to members of armed forces. The next question is question number 38. Which of the following cultural and educational rights are guaranteed by the Constitution for protection of the interest of minorities? right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice, right to conserve language, script or culture of their own, right to impart education to their children in their own language. The correct answer of question number 38 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. Question number 39. Indian Constitution employs the proclamation of emergency to donate. The correct answer of 39 is A. The national emergency only. The next question is question number 14. Which of the following term in the preamble best describe the notion that the people of India should behave as if they are members of the same family? The correct answer is D. Fraternity. Question number 41. Which of the following cases may be considered as a violation of fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 19? 1. Prohibiting women from opening of a new IT office, forcing people from certain castes to perform traditional occupation, denial of general information regarding the administration of government. The correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. The next question is 42. Which among the following is the special feature that distinguishes a pressure group from a political party? The correct answer is C. Pressure groups do not seek to get into power while political parties do. 43. Anthurium plant often mentioned in the news is a correct answer is A. Domestic flowering plant known for purifying surrounding air and remove harmful airborne chemicals. The next question, with reference to the State Finance Commission, consider the following statement. It is constituted by the state government after every 5 years. It reviews the distribution of revenues between the state and local government as also that between rural and urban local governments. The members of the commission are not eligible for the appointment under the state government. The correct answer is B. 1 and 2 only. The next question is question number 45. With reference to different sources of constitutional features, consider the following pairs: features and source. Appointment of state governors by center, a joint sitting of the two houses of parliament, DPSP. The sources are Canada, Australia, USSR. The correctly matched pairs are A. 1 and 2 only. Appointment of state governor by center, source is Canada. A joint sitting of the two houses of parliament is Australia. The next question is question number 46. Which of the following provisions were part of the Government of India Act of 1919? It provided for the establishment of a public service commission. It introduced direct election in the country for the first time. It introduced a system of communal representation for depressed classes. It provided the diarchy scheme of government in the provinces. The correct answer is D. 1, 2, 4 only. It provided for the establishment of a public service commission. It introduced direct election in the country for the first time. It provided the diarchy scheme of governance in the provinces. Question number 47. Qissa Khwani Bazar massacre recently seen in news is related to which of the following movement? The correct answer is A. Khudai Khidmatgar movement. The next question is question number 48. Consider the following statements in the context of constitutional provisions of Union Public Service Commission. The Constitution of India specifies the strength of UPSC. Constitution authorizes President of India to determine the condition of a service of UPSC chairman and members. The grounds of removal and and manner of removal is specified in the Constitution. Which of these statements given above are correct? The correct answer is B. 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 49. Consider the following statement regarding prerogative writs. Writs can be issued against private and public authorities. High courts have a wider writ jurisdiction than that of the Supreme Court. The correct answer is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 50, which refers to the acquisition of citizenship under the Citizenship Act of 1955. Consider the following statements. The correct answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. All options are wrong. This is the first part of prelims test series 1. In the second part of this test series 1 is in another video. If you like this video, kindly share, like, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much, guys.